Tiddlywinks is a creche who takes in children from 0 to 12. We have flying start, 30 hours and private. I think the apprenticeship programme is very good. They come here, they're relaxed in our environment, we are very friendly with them, and we show them, you know, how to work with the children, how to relax around them and just be their natural self. We love giving apprentices an opportunity to go forward and to see if this job is for them.
To be apprenticed at Tiddlywinks is really exciting, every day's different, and it's just a fun environment to be an apprentice in.
As an employer, the whole experience is incredibly rewarding. When we heard we was finalists, we was very emotional because we didn't know that anybody really knew about Tiddlywinks.
Specsavers provides eye health and hearing services within the local community of Porthcawl. The key benefits of the apprenticeship scheme is the starting block of a long-term career. So once they've passed the apprenticeship scheme, they're able to pursue further educations within the optics and retail environment.
Apprenticeship for me, I think, would be the ability to carry on learning at the same time as having a job.
I think Specsavers benefit from apprenticeship schemes because they get loyal and valued team members that are really engaged and invested in their career.
I think the apprenticeship's been a really good experience. It's been really easy, really simple. I've had a lot of help through it as well, and it's really set me up for the future.
We were absolutely over the moon with the result of becoming finalists. The apprenticeship scheme enables those who may not excel in normal education settings to have an opportunity to get into the place of work.
Needle Rock is an upholstery business based in West Wales, and we offer all types of upholstery, modern, traditional, for all business sectors and domestic customers. The apprenticeship scheme has been really successful for Needle Rock because basically I needed an extra me and I couldn't afford to pay an extra me, so I decided to make them.
Being an apprentice for Ali has been an absolute privilege and honour to do. She's brought me on so well with the skills that we've learnt, and it's boosted my confidence massively. I've been able to do new things and learn a trade that will stick with me for a lifetime.
The key benefit for me taking on apprentices is that now they're trained, they can look after the business premises when I'm not here.
My apprenticeship has been a wonderful opportunity to enter a crafts-related industry and develop my skills with support.
When I heard that Needle Rock had become a finalist for these awards, I was absolutely thrilled. Just fantastic.